Queen Phoenix, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this crocheted rose, and it's actually a circle that we fold up and make into this rose. So you will need some yarn, a darning needle please, a pair of scissors, and your crocheted hook. And let's get into it. You will start this by making a slip knot. You will start this by making a magic circle, and you will chain 3. Now you will make 11 double crochets into your magic circle. 11. With the chain 3, it will be 12. Once you've made your 11 double crochets, you will slip stitch into the very first stitch that you made, and you will chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. In the same space, you will make another double crochet. In the next stitch, you will make 2 double crochets, and for every stitch after that, you will make 2 double crochets per stitch. When you get here, you'll have a total of 24 double crochets. When you get to the end of row 2, you will slip stitch into your very first stitch and chain 3 again. You'll put 1 double crochet in the same stitch or same space, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. For this row, you will have 2 double crochets in one stitch, followed by 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and you will continue that until you get to the end of row 3. When you get to the end of your row 3, you should have 36 stitches, and you will again slip stitch where you have your 3 chain space. You will chain 3, and in the same space you'll put 1 double crochet. In the next stitch you'll put 1 double crochet, and in your next stitch you'll have 1 double crochet. The pattern for this round is 2 double crochets in one stitch, followed by 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And you will continue that pattern until you are at the end of row 4. When you get to the end of row 4, you should have a total of 48 stitches. Now, you are not going to slip stitch. You're just going to chain 1, cut your tail. You can, right, pull it, use your darning needle or a crochet hook, whichever one you prefer. Hide your tail in your work. Cut off any excess thread. Now, you want to have this V type of opening here. So you're going to lay it flat. Your V should be open. And you're going to roll it. Like how you roll a Swiss roll. Just roll it. Now you'll see I've got this thread here, which I'm leaving. When it's like this, you grab this piece in your one hand, and you're going to fold this over your hand. So slowly fold it over little by little, and just use your fingers the entire time because you're going to shape your flower. Oh, let me try that again. And this does happen. Sometimes you need to try more than once. You're just shaping it into this. Now, I left this thread here. because I'm going to stab this with this hook, just so it keeps its shape for a little. Thread my darning needle, and I'm going to add a few stitches to the base of this so that it keeps its shape. So I'm just going to go through the base a few times. Please don't pull this tight. Your thread, don't pull it tight, or else you will lose the shape of the actual rose that you've just made. And with the end piece of it, you can make a knot and just hide your tail and cut it away. And this is it. And the only thing I did different, I took a pipe cleaner and I just pushed the pieces down a bit, twirled it a bit together, and I pushed it in. And you can use some hot glue even to secure it. But depending on how tight you roll this and then you stitch it, will depend on the type of rose you get. This is tighter, this is looser. I hope you enjoyed this project. Get me on the next one. This is the Queen Phoenix. Cheers.